Compassion means not only feeling others' pain, but also being moved to help relieve it. Good morning everyone. Today's assembly is presented by class 11C2 to emphasize importance of being kind and compassionate towards every single soul living on this earth. Let's begin the day with the prayer presented by Shakun
There
Singhal.
shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops from the star falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now our refreshing, come and honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops from the star falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
The thought and its meaning is explained to us by Anne Abhimanyu.
Passion can be defined in many ways, but its essence is a basic kindness with a deep awareness of the suffering of oneself and other living things, coupled with a wish in efforts to relieve it. It means compassionate is not only being kind but also being aware of other people's pain and suffering and wishing for their well-being and putting his sincere efforts to relieve them from their pain.
National and international headlines are brought to us by Gaurav.
Morning everyone, I am Gaurav Seni of class 11C2 hereby to present news. National news. Navy bans drones within 3 km over its installation in Mumbai. 2.88 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses available with states and union territories. Haryana cuts down syllabus for class 10 and 12th by 30% for session 2021 to 22. International news. UNESCO removes Liverpool Maritime Mercantile City from World Heritage List. Road flooded with chest-deep waters after China province sees heaviest rain in 1,000 years. US life expectancy fell by 1.5 years in 2020, biggest drop since World War II. Business news. Tamil Nadu government signs memoranda of understanding for 35 projects worth 17,141 crore to create 55,000 jobs. Amul Group's turnover crosses 53,000 crore despite COVID-19 curves. Now some sports news. Tokyo COVID-19 cases hit 6 months high 2 days before Olympics. Australia to host Olympic for third time as Brisbane awarded 2032 games. Health news. About 2/3 of Indian population had COVID-19 antibodies as per Sero survey. Thank you.
And now, I, Jagrit Dang, will be starting with today's talk. Wildlife is a precious gift of God to this planet. The term wildlife not only includes wild animals, but also includes all undomesticated life forms, including birds, insects, plants, fungi, and even microscopic organisms. India is known all over the world for its wildlife and biodiversity richness. Wildlife conservation is an activity in which humans make cognizant efforts to protect plants and other animal species and their habitats. Conservation mainly focused on carrying capacity of area and intelligent use of natural resources. If they are excess or plenty, their use should be permitted, but if the resources decrease, a strict monitoring and carrying capacity should be done. Wildlife conservation is very important because wildlife and wilderness play an important role in maintaining the ecological balance and contribute to human quality of.
Good morning, children. I hope you and your families are keeping well and staying safe. Safety becomes our topmost priority in these challenging times. The term security or safety does not refer only to the mankind, but it also extends to every other creature living on this earth. Every other creature seeks security, seeks safety. So as human beings, it becomes our duty to extend our support to the wildlife, to enable them to have a safe and secure life in their natural habitats. Human population, pollution, agriculture and urbanization are among various other factors that exert a lot of pressure on their natural habitat. So it becomes our duty to peacefully coexist with them without harming them in their natural habitats. We must not forget that the future of mankind is not possible without flora and fauna, and we must do our best efforts to conserve them, to preserve them, and we can do this by being just a little more accommodating in our daily lives. We must try to save the species from getting extinct and must try to also conserve their natural habitat. This is not a difficult task, and I'm sure next time we will be more adjusting, more loving, caring, kind and compassionate to the wildlife. Thank you. Take care, stay home and stay safe.